What's good? As you guys just read the title of this video, I'm going to tell you guys why you should stop playing Madden Mobile 20 right now. Like, honestly, stop. But before I do that, guys, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on so you guys never miss out on upcoming news on this channel about Madden Mobile 21. And yeah, we're starting right now about this title of the video, which is stop playing right now. Stop doing anything you're doing on Madden Mobile 20 right now, which is basically, you know, wasting your time in this game, because right now Madden Mobile 21 is around the corner and you guys should just stop playing the game and spending money on this specific game because you're losing everything. And also stop watching Madden Mobile YouTubers, anyone who's talking about Madden Mobile 20, because specifically you're also wasting your time on watching those videos, because honestly nothing's getting moved over, because right now you guys are working on a team, your legacy team. You're working on that to move on to the next Madden, but this is a brand new app which they're honestly just saying, oh, we're going to make a new app. This app is gone. We're making a new app. We're launching it. And you guys have to connect it with your EA account, basically. Basically, you have to connect your Madden Mobile 20 account with your EA account. So you guys better do that right now. And you connect to your EA account. You get notified in your email that this Madden Mobile 21, the new app, just launched. They'll send you probably a link. Click on it. You go and download it in your app store and everything. So then you can download the new app. So basically, the title of this video is just stop wasting your time on Madden Mobile 20 and watching videos, and basically stop wasting your time grinding on this game right now, because EA is starting from fresh and you should also do that too. And honestly, if you have Madden Cash in this game, I would advise you to either spend it all, have fun with it, or just stop playing right now, because what I'm going to tell you is probably a bummer to you, and also in a way of you just got to take it, because that's what EA is doing to you right now, because it's gone. Madden Mobile 20 is literally gone. It's disappearing. It's gone. Never again. So their 6 years of creating this game is basically gone. They're opening up a new app, a new platform to make this game better so they can get back up there. Okay, because the rating of Madden Overdrive and Madden Mobile 20 both had the same ratings of 4.6 stars, and you kind of get that rating, you know, the feeling of that rating, because 4.6 stars on Overdrive, people left the game, and then you get the 4.6 stars in Madden Mobile 20 because people also don't like the game, because it's not like Madden Mobile 15, 16, and 17, and somewhat of 18. 18 is where they kind of changed the game, and then they just plummeted right there. But honestly, stop watching Madden Mobile 20 YouTubers about the game, because they're literally providing you how to get these players and all that stuff, how to grind on this game, which there is only like a couple weeks left of Madden Mobile 20 until we go into the new game on August 16th. And you watching these videos is wasting your time and stuff. We can be watching Madden Mobile 21 videos and news about the game, and watching the Twitch live streams to get you guys hyped and ready for Madden Mobile 21, because this game is going to be better than ever. With all the sneak peeks that you guys are going to be seeing, and all this stuff with the new app and all this stuff, it's going to be like Madden 21. So if you guys like console, you guys need to come into this game right now, because honestly, if you think about it, when you move forward, technology changes. Now, okay, I want to state this, because a lot of people are like, oh, we want Madden Mobile 15, 16, 17. We want the old days back. So 15 through 17 back. Mainly just 15 and 16. Maybe just 15, a lot of people like. But if you think about it, if you just want those games back, you want the old, but you don't want the new. You got to fit into the new, because say you're sticking with an old phone, and you just like, oh no, I want that old phone, but why don't you want to upgrade to the new phone? Like, do you want the old or you want the new? Because you gotta ditch the old stuff and go in with the new, because honestly, you know, we're in 2020 right now, almost 2021. Things are changing, and we're gonna be getting way better graphics in the future, way better everything. You know, okay, it's gonna be like playing console on your mobile device. It's going to happen, okay? We're going to have control support soon and all that good stuff. So, like, for any mobile YouTubers out there who want to play Madden, you can now finally do it soon. I would say Madden Mobile vibes are still kind of in this. Maybe they'll give us some throwbacks and all stuff. It probably will be the same game. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Once these sneak peeks come out through this whole June and July until August, we'll see how this game's going to change and all that stuff. But honestly, everything you guys been working for is gone. So if you guys were a Madden Mobile 15 veteran, or just grinding on this game this year, waiting, you know, to upgrade your legacy team and move your Madden Cash on, you guys literally just wasted your whole time, because Madden Mobile just said we're making a new app and you guys cannot move anything over. You guys will not have your custom, well, not really custom, but logos, you guys have to transfer. But if you guys do want to take on your logos for next year, linking onto your Facebook account, just change your profile picture to one of the logos you guys like. If you guys want to know how to do that, watch Madden Mobile Slay's video to go ahead and change your logo. He basically just made a lot of these logos with another guy. I don't really know his name, sorry. But they basically just made a whole bunch of, of those logos you get, like MM15, MM14, 15 veteran, MM16 veteran, 17 veteran, the Easter promo, the Ultimate Freeze promo, all those promos, all those things you guys been grinding from the beginning to the end are now gone. But, you guys can go get that if you watch Madden Mobile Slay's video by just taking a picture to your Facebook and all that stuff. So that kind of thing is not gone, but it's kind of the feeling that it is gone at the same time, because you can only select one logo at a time. So that kind of sucks in a way. But your logo's gone, your legacy team's gone, so everything you've been working on for your Madden Mobile 20 year, it's gone. Basically, what I'm just rambling on that everything is gone. Basically, it's kind of a bummer that you guys have been grinding Madden Mobile 20 this year and it's gone. But to be honest, Madden Mobile 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, it's all gone. But it kind of is not, because your legacy team moves on. Your Madden Cash moves on this year is all gone, which is kind of a bummer if you guys were actually trying to grind that out. Yeah, it's gone. I'm not gonna just keep on rambling on that everything's gone, but just trying to tell you guys that it's just gone. Like 6 years of Madden Mobile 15 through 20 is gone. New apps opening, launching on August 16th. Make sure you have your EA account, linked to your actual account, so you guys can get a notification to download the new app, so you guys can actually have fun with this new app. And I'm pretty sure when Madden Mobile 22 comes out, everything's going to be transferred because it's a new app. So hopefully they actually tell us this time instead of actually surprising us at the end. But, I'm pretty sure, Madden Mobile just wants to make it better for us. EA wants to make this better for us because they've been seeing their overdrive and, basically their overdrive and Madden Mobile 20 ratings drop from the past Madden Mobile 15 through, 18 years, and it all dropped. And it's honestly them waking up, actually making us a better game for us to play. So hopefully you guys do understand that. If you guys want to get any more information, you guys can check out Twitch, Madden Mobile Slay, or Noob Kill, because those are the best people who give you out the news, plus me and other people who give out Madden Mobile news that I don't know by name, because I only watch those two in the Twitch. And yeah, my channel is basically those are the only 4 things to go to. If there is anyone out there who makes more Madden Mobile news or gives anything out there, guys, please let me know. Because honestly, I feel like every Madden Mobile YouTuber gives news out, but they provide you with upcoming news to the game right now, which Madden Mobile 20 news right now is literally like, it's nothing. Like if Madden Mobile 20 concepts right now, or all that stuff gets views right now, it kind of makes no sense. You can have fun with the game right now, but to be honest, it's nothing to me right now. What I'm focusing on is Madden Mobile 20, all the sneak peeks, the new app, and a new start into Madden Mobile, just Madden Mobile in general. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this upcoming news. Hopefully you took it to a a thing in your mind to actually stop what you're doing right now. Watch all these sneak peeks and stuff. Have fun with the game. Have fun with Madden Mobile 20 until it ends. Don't spend any money. Don't get too hooked up into the game right now. If you guys want, sell your team, open some packs, have fun with the game because it's all gone and all that stuff. So have fun. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you drop a like on this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.